I was gonna do something else, but I'll just stick with this. Okay guys, so hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you another Amazon wig that I have. So I have another Amazon wig that we are about to try on. This wig, I will show you where it's from. It was only, I think, $25. Guys, I'm about to show you because you're about to be so excited. So it comes with, I'm just going to show you what it comes with. It comes with a wig cap. It's fine. A card that says thank you and washing instructions. This is cute. Icy Queens 1012 has this as well. I can't show you that. Okay. And oh, Icy Queens, AISI Queens. This is the bag itself. This is cute. This is the wig, y'all. Wig cost $25. I think it was $25. I'll put it on the screen. Look at it. And it matches my outfit. I didn't even realize. Okay. So you know I'm about to be excited because I've been wanting one of these for so long. It's synthetic. That's why it's only $25. It's a 2x, I think 2x2. 2x4. Most likely. So I have to finesse that. I will put my foundation inside. Actually, I just want to try it on and see what it looks like. Then I'm going to cut this off and then we'll go from there. So let me cut this part out. She's so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to take off. Oh, stocking cap got holes in it. You know how I do with this. Pretty bald eagle. So I have on just a holy stocking cap. Just ignore the hole, y'all. It's fine. Okay, so I'm going to put this on and see what it looks like first, and then I'll cut it, and then I'll put foundation on it and go from there. So just throw it on, boo. Ooh. I am a whole different person. It has combs in the front, which I never use unless I'm using like a headband wig. Oh my god. It's heavy. Oh my god. I need a brush. Oh. Okay. Well, clearly I gotta cut this lace off first, but I just wanted to try it on to see what it was like. But I could cut the lace now. Is it a little tangly? Yes. Let me back up some so you can see. You guys can see. Is it shedding? Yes. Not all of that is from this though. Is it long? Yes. This looks pretty good. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. I always wanted this color too, and now I have it, and I feel a little bit like Mary J. Blige in Power. Okay, so let's cut this off. And let's try to finesse the part and we'll go from there. I literally don't need to do anything else though. Like, that's it. The wig is done. It is done. Wow, okay. I don't know how y'all feel about it, but I'm gonna cut this off and then I'll be right back. I could I feel so pretty. I giving you rich auntie vibes? Wow. Wow. Only thing I could say that I would like to change. I mean, I'll stay like this, so it's not so bad, but it's definitely tangly. That's the only thing. This is how you know. Like, synthetic is just annoying because it's tangled. So, like, when I go to brush, I'm literally like... But y'all, for $20, I could deal with a little bit of tangles for $20 and I look like that. And the parting, it's terrible. So I wonder if I could pluck the part a little more without messing up the whole thing. That makes a difference, y'all. I'm trying to really finesse this wig. And I just plucked the part a little bit. Is it a little too fake? Is it looking too fake? I mean, that's really shedding like crazy. And I don't even know if this is heat resistant. I'll have to find out. For this to be a synthetic wig, the coloring looks phenomenal. The parting is, it is what it is. I can't change the parting. I think I would pluck it a little bit more just to make it look better, but for right now, this is fine. I actually like this. Is it flat enough? Oh, I wish I could. I don't even know if this is heat resistant. I feel scared to put heat on this. So I'm going to turn my curling iron down to 340, or flat iron down to 340. Hot comb, what in the world? I'm going to turn my hot comb down, let that get ready. And then I'm going to just put this in the part right there. I wonder if it's because my stocking cap is right there. I don't know. I mean, does it look bad? I mean, it's not even tacked down or nothing. It's just, I wish the part looked better. That's the only thing I can say. The part stinks. The part absolutely is terrible. But when I look in this viewfinder, I'm gonna try to get as much. Okay, it's getting us somewhere. Okay, I think that's a little better. I think. Okay, so this is at 340 right now. Let me just see. It says not too hot. Let me just run some heat through it. Okay, that did a little bit of something. Let's just run some heat through it. Oof. Okay. And the way I do it tucked behind my ear, I literally take a strand, I pull this down and pull that behind. If that makes sense. So take this strand, this is right here, and then I scratch. And then I just wish it wasn't so tangly. Y'all, this wig looks... I'm still in shock that it looks this good. I know I shouldn't be in shock, but for $25, when this wig costs like hundreds of dollars somewhere, so I don't know how many inches that is, but basically, yeah, that's it. So, all right, let me get closer so I can put my final thoughts. So this wig was, like I said, only $25, I think, on Amazon. I'll put the link below. I feel like I don't even know who I am. I look so cute. This whole, it's just giving what needs to be given, I guess, for $25. Like, thing that stinks the most is this part. I mean, maybe if I like even tacked it down a little bit more, it would be better. I tried to pluck it a little bit. I wasn't really plucking it too much. I tried to pluck it a little. It might be a little bit better if I actually tack it down, like with some got to be or something like that. Just take it and like hold it there for a second. It will look even better. But I don't know what y'all think, but I don't even know what to say outside of this is really nice. Only thing I wish is that these strands of hair were a little bit better, but this looks really good. Oh, it's a little itchy. I say get it. It's gonna tangle, but it's not super expensive, so you can always just go and buy another one if that's the case. It is really looking like a lot of the wigs that are highlight wigs right now that are out, and it was only $25. I think if you pluck the part a little bit more than I did, or just put some powder in it like I did, it will look pretty much just like this. It's a little bit shiny. To take that away, all you need is some dry shampoo, and I didn't have any down here. That's the only reason I didn't put it on here. And then it will get rid of that shine. Actually, it doesn't look super shiny on camera though, so it doesn't look too shiny in real life either. So I think it's fine. Honestly, I say go get it. Amazon is doing this thing right now. Besides the fact that it's shedding all over me, there's literally hair all over me. But besides that, you know, if you're not really worried about the shedding because you don't plan on brushing it too much, I'd say this is a good wig. For sure. Affordable, nice, gives you the highlight look that everybody has like going around right now, and it's not super expensive where you wouldn't be able to afford it. So I am going to take some pictures, I think, because yeah, guys, that's it for this hair video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you like to see these Amazon wigs that are affordable and you can get like pretty much the next day. This, like I said, this is the look that's been going around where everybody has this like highlighted wig, but mine was only $25. And it's like hip length. So if you're 5 feet like me, it'll be to your hips. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.